Are you ready for an ABC adventure? Let's learn A to Z together. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for giraffe, H is for hat, I is for ice cream, J is for jellyfish, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for moon, N is for nest,
O is for orange, P is for penguin, Q is for queen, R is for rabbit, S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella,
V is for violin, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra!
Amazing job, little learners! You learned the alphabet from A to Z. Give yourself a big clap. Subscribe to Talkify Object for more fun learning adventures.